After registration and each login, you reach to this dashboard. You can also go and visit the front page, but now you are logged in, so you are visiting as your employer profile. Alright, we are back in dashboard. We are going to set up our profile now so that we can start posting our jobs. So I'll click on this edit profile button and start editing my profile. Going to add company name as the employer name. I'm going to copy a description and going to paste it here. It's some of the description about the company. I can add my company website here. I can choose my company logo. I can choose to feed in a number. I also get a chance to choose a YouTube URL as an introduction video. I can specify company location. I can specify core leadership or members. I can add city. I can choose whether to show my profile or hide. I can mention my email. Make sure to specify HR email. I can customize this company profile URL. I can choose to add multiple social network links. So I'm going to add the Facebook link, paste the URL. I'm also going to add the Instagram link. Let's set the company category as design. More categories coming soon. Now I'm going to save the profile. I can still go down, change any information and save profile again and it will get updated. Now I can get back to dashboard again. In the next video, we'll see how to post job.